Got a Honda S2000 AP1. Been working on this car for quite a while due to the fact that we're doing a lot of different things to it. First thing you'll notice is that we got rid of the ABS control system. We're running direct braking. The actual front brakes are split in the middle of the car, teed down in the middle of the subframe, in front of the engine, not behind it anymore. I had to move the brakes around due to the exhaust manifold we built. The car is running a Hypertune intake manifold with twin fuel rails. Upper rail is primary, you can see there, and secondary lower fuel rail is for as boost comes in. We got the fuel wide in the rear of the rails, and we're bringing it around to an Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator down here on the frame rail. That is actually going to hold and control the fuel as we do our passes and so forth. The car is running a GT35 82 twin scroll, and we've got two tile 44 wastegates that are exiting the side of the car. You can actually see the hole right there. They'll exit the side of the fender and come out in this area over here. I think we have another video about that. There's our suspension right here. Our front suspension is gusseted and plated. The uppers, sides, June bracket to hold the middles, upper control arms, teen race suspension. To feed our humongous turbo, we're running a 4-inch intake. We actually section the radiator 4 inches to get it around the radiator and draw air in front of the radiator due to the fact that we wanted cooler air from the front of the car. Got a humongous air filter to move about 1,200 cc's of air, and you can see our PWR. Our lower mount right there is for our intercooler. It actually brackets there and then is gusseted to the actual front cross member. So all in all, this car has a lot of really interesting, crazy, unique features going on. You can actually see our Moroso breather tank, our oil filter relocation, our oil lines down on the bottom of the radiator for the cooler. Hopefully by the end of next week, I'll be starting this car and moving on to more of the other important stuff like interior and so forth. Right now it has no wiring harness in it, and I just need to run fuel lines to the back of these rails. You can see that I don't have any fuel lines yet. So hopefully in the next week or so I'll have this car running and have a couple more videos.